Hey folks, Adam here with an elite demonstration. This comes to us from NAIPO, N-A-I-P-O. This is a fantastic massage gun and you're gonna love it. So let's talk about it and let's kick it off right about now. So what makes this a tremendous massage gun? First off, the type of battery is fantastic. It's lithium ion battery, which is going to have a long period of charge. 4 hours of use for 4 hours of charge, 4 to 6 hours of use is pretty standard with this battery. It's also, the power of it adjusts, it's kind of a variable adjustment. So the harder you press, it kicks in a little more. Look at that, that's pretty cool looking, right? So that's fantastic. Now, also it's a lighter weight gun. Only 2.2 pounds, so not as much fatigue. And I do like the design of this. You can put one hand here and really, like if you're using it, apply a little extra pressure. And like I said, the more pressure you apply, the faster this thing goes. Now, it does come with 4 different heads. Let me read you the names of the heads and I'll show those to you here in a moment. It has the round head, the Y-shaped head, which we're using now, the bullet head, and the pneumatic head. The pneumatic head has kind of an air cushion, and that's kind of my favorite. I would say the Y is a standard that you need for like around your cervical vertebrae, but the pneumatic, this little cushioned one, you see it's like a rubber cushion with air in it, is my personal favorite and the one I use the most. Also has the bullet and your standard round, which I think everybody's seen. Now it does charge with a USB-C, which is included. It is a 5-speed gun, so you just click right here to increase the speed. If anyone's new to this type of device, you just hold it down to turn it off. Just that simple. So a tremendous company, NAIPO, I've used a lot of their products. I just used their shiatsu massage, easy for me to say. They make great products and they're a great company. It says in this box includes 4 heads, 1 massage gun, 1 USB-C cable, and your user manual. The battery type is a 2600 mAh lithium battery. It's the model 2008, NPMG 2008, 5-speed built-in, 2.2 pounds. And it's an absolutely fantastic massage gun with over 70 ratings, currently 73 ratings on Amazon. It has a great average, and NAIPO, I believe I'm saying that right, always has great ratings across the board on Amazon. So go ahead and pick yours up today. This is a great value, one of the best value massage guns that I've had the opportunity to test out. You're gonna love it. They did not sponsor this video, they didn't pay me. So I just want you to know that when I'm telling you that this is a very solid and good massage gun, that's because I truly believe that. And let me show you just the case that it comes in, like open box, right? So there you go, folks. Go ahead and order today. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching and adios, amigos.